In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export transactions with QuickBooks. We'll go through both actions from the same area in QuickBooks, so once you know where to look, this process becomes very simple. If you need to download your transaction list for review, reporting, or sharing with your accountant, exporting is quick. And if you need to bring transactions into QuickBooks from a file, the import option is right there as well. To get started, look to the left-hand navigation pane and click on Accounting. This will take you to the section where you can view your bank transactions and manage related activity. Once you're on this page, you should be able to see the transaction list displayed in a table. If your goal is to export transactions, stay on the transaction list and move your attention to the top right corner of the table. There, you'll find the export icon. Click that icon to export the transaction list. After you do that, QuickBooks will generate the export for you, and that's it. It's a straightforward way to get your transaction data out of the system when you need a copy outside of QuickBooks. Now let's look at how to import transactions. You'll stay on the same page, which makes this even more convenient. At the top right, find the Link Account button. Instead of clicking the main button directly, click the small caret icon next to it. This opens a drop-down menu with additional options. From that menu, select Upload from File. Once you choose Upload from File, go ahead and upload your file in the upload area provided. Follow the on-screen prompts to place the file into QuickBooks. After the file is uploaded, your import is underway, and that's all there is to it. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're working from the correct transaction page before you begin, since both the export and import options are accessed from this same area. That can save time and help avoid confusion if you're navigating quickly through QuickBooks. So to recap, you open Accounting from the left pane, use the export icon at the top right of the transaction table to export. And for importing, use the caret next to Link Account and choose Upload from File. Then upload your file and you're done. That's the complete process for importing and exporting transactions with QuickBooks.